Hey there guys, it's RLXX1234 here again, and I just want to show you a little prank that you could do if you have one little, or as much as you want, little raw, like mustacholi noodles, raw ones. Um, so this could be like a really quick video. What you're gonna do is you're gonna want to have like the thing in your hand, because like when you say hello to somebody, like you're gonna have to say like hello, not like hello, and like act like something's in your mouth. So what you're gonna do is when you walk up to them, you're gonna just like have the noodle with your thumb like that, and just like your hands gonna be like that as you walk, and then you're just gonna be like this, and as you do that, you're gonna put the noodle in your mouth like that, and as you do this, you're gonna crack down, you're gonna bite down on it. So here's what's gonna look like. See, I'm like cracking my neck. So it works best with these because it makes more of a crack, but that's the video, guys. See you later.